Hello guys. Oh, saw some chickens today. I love how the baby chick always stays with the mom. I just don't understand how she can deal with all that chirping. I guess she's immune to it or something. There's our cat. It's a cute little kitty. Oh, hello again guys. This is North Carolina. You can see it rained today. Today is, I don't know what today is. I think it's Tuesday. I think it's the 2nd or something like that. I know today's Wednesday. I don't know the date. But I like to make a video always around this time. Oh, they're following me. See if they feel comfortable. Maybe they'll come to the kissing sounds. I think they're looking for food, maybe. Seem to be pretty nice chickens. Just can't imagine what it'd be like to be so skittish around anything. Speaking of chickens, I think we're gonna go snake hunting today. Again, as we always do. We never find them anyways, but we're gonna go see if we can find some chickens. Not chickens, snakes. Today is definitely humid. Much more humid than the other days. There are no chickens in there. Little snake spot, no snakes under there. I'd be kind of wet out here next to these branches and everything as I walk through them. Man, it is really humid today. No snakes in this goat pen. Might not be a goat pen. I don't know what we're gonna make it. I just keep thinking, man, imagine one day I come out here looking for snakes all the time and I actually find one and then he bites me. That would so suck. It's just, when you come out here, it's just seeing them. I know I have to be careful. Because I know some of them can camouflage so well. Maybe snakes won't be so attracted to this. Because, there's water everywhere. So maybe they'll be attracted to other spots too. Not just back here, which I kind of... if I have to find a snake, I kind of hope I don't find one back here. Or if I do find one back here, I hope I see him in the distance. So I could just zoom in on him. Maybe try to catch him or something. I caught one snake before. Just by you doing what they do online. Just using like a stick to hold his head down and grab him behind the head. It's pretty easy to do. He was not poisonous, so it's not like it was that much of a risk. And there's a hole right there. Oh, just wondering if I was recording or not. I am. Let's go back up here. I think this pile right here. There was a lot of more trees over there by my house. And when they were cutting out the area, I think they just stuck all the trees they cut down right here. It used to be like 4 or 5 feet higher than this. A big old mound of stumps and firewood and all that stuff. Oh, we're gonna go take our usual tour up to the road. lot of trash. Just clean this up. Might be cool if I see a snake in there one day, just floating around. The water's so dirty you can't even see the bottom of it. I don't even think it's that deep. I always go towards the road because I don't know. I've seen more snakes this season up next to the road. I want to make 2 snakes up there, and it's not even summer, so maybe I'm doing good. Of course, I don't really come out here much, and those snakes I didn't. I was just driving by and I saw them. I think I feel spider webs. Oh. All that trash in the front. That's my roommate's kids. I bet you that did that. Oh, there's some snakes down there, I'm sure, but I'm not going. I'll let that be there for them to clean up. I'm not cleaning up their trash, I know that. There's some animal got in there, which I doubt. That right there is all the kids right there. I can guarantee it. I don't know, maybe a dog did get into it. No, those are the kids. So no snakes. You guys see my little kitty up there? My little kitty. I think I just like saying the word kitty. Meow. I guess he's saying hello. And we'll check on the eggs here. Everything seems to be going good. Little Miss Kid Chicken. Maybe I don't have to jump the fence. Hold on. Well, there were the little chickens. Little goats. Very little chickens. Alright guys, I'll see you later.